Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my FUL or my fava beans and chickpeas for breakfast. This is a Lebanese recipe or Mediterranean recipe. If you try this recipe, I'm sure your family will love it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Another day of quarantine. I hope you and your family are doing very well. Now, if you are running out of ideas for your breakfast for your family, why not try this very quick and easy recipe? I'm sure your pantry will have some chickpeas and fava beans, and I'll tell you the exact step by step and how to make your fava beans and chickpeas for breakfast, or they're also known as FUL. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm using just a Californian Garden brand. Now you can use any chickpeas and fava beans in cans. Now this is already half chickpeas and fava beans. So for my family, I used to have just 2 cans of chickpeas and fava beans. So just like your normal canned goods or canned food, you open the canned beans and this is how they look like. So what you need to do is to wash these beans thoroughly. Okay, so we're gonna wash these beans thoroughly. We're gonna put these in a pan. So after washing your beans, they're gonna be looking like this, and we are ready to cook the beans. So let's heat up our pot. So make sure you be cooking the beans for about 10 to 15 minutes on slow heat. To this, add about 1.5 cups of water. Beans are boiling away and this is how they look like. So another 5 more minutes and this should be ready. So our beans are ready. We are going to transfer them to a bowl. You don't need to put all the water on your bowl, but I'll show you how my family likes to have them. So I'm just transferring these beans onto a bowl or to any plate that you desire. I won't put all the water in, but I will just set them aside because I will need them later just to adjust when I need to adjust the flavor. Okay, so we're ready. Now some people can eat this recipe just as it is. They just put some salt and some cumin and olive oil. But my family, we do a little bit extra. I prefer the flavor that I'm actually going to put. So this breakfast is very healthy and very easy. So as you can see, there's a little bit of water from how we boil it, so that's fine. So we slowly mash the beans so it will achieve a very creamy texture. just like so. Like I said, this is just how you prefer to eat them, but we prefer it a little bit mashed. We leave some of the beans just as how they are, but we'll probably mash about maybe 80% of these beans will be mashed. So we have salt and some cumin, we have finely minced garlic, some finely chopped tomatoes, and some mint. So if you don't have tomatoes and mint, that should be okay, as long as you have some salt and cumin, you are good to go. So we're going to be adding some salt and some cumin. This is finely minced garlic, so it according to your flavor, I like to add maybe just a little bit at a time, and I'll adjust the flavor as we go. And some olive oil. So this is extra virgin olive oil, so don't be shy on them, as this is very healthy for you. There you go. And then we just slowly mix. So yeah, you can have this now. This is ready to eat. Now let's just put in the final ingredients. That would be some garnishing. So look at how pretty that looks like. Ooh la la. I can't wait to taste this. So in this, I normally serve this with some tomatoes on top. Okay, and let's not forget to put our mint that comes from the garden, just like that. And that's it. Very simple, very easy, very affordable, very cheap meal. This is breakfast for the family. So yeah, I hope you try this recipe. I'm very sure your whole family will love it. It's very delicious and very healthy. Okay, so we can't wait for the taste test. So let's have a bit of, let's get some mint, some tomatoes, Guys, you should try these. This is a Mediterranean dish that's very healthy for you for breakfast in the morning, full of protein, very cheap. This will cost you what, under $3, under $2. What more can you ask for? So if you're running out of ideas for this quarantine, lockdown days that we don't know how long it's going to go for, and you are scavenging and looking through your pantry, why not try this dish? This meal is so yummy. Your whole family will love. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna finish this breakfast. So yummy. Bye for now.